Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today, asking what do you need to focus on to bring more money into your life today? And the King of Wands came through and I got just this strong message of stand in your power. You are the creator of your life. You hold the creative key to create life the way you want it. So in saying that, what do you want to, how much money do you want? What do you need? What amount of money do you need, right? And what are you going to spend it on? What do you need it for? And why do you want it? Ask all these questions. You're the creator. Demand that you create the amount of money that you want. Let me know in the comments, how much money do you want? And what do you want it for? Let me know in the comments, right? Stand in your power, strong, grounded. Connect with your creative power. You're the King of Wands in this particular card coming through, which means you're the king of your world and you hold the key to project out what you want and then be open to it coming back and seeing it in your physical reality, right? So that's how you create your money in your life today. You get clear on what you want. Stand in your power. Know it's coming. Know that you are the creator. You are the almighty creator of your own life. Claim it below. Say, I am the creator of my life. Claim the amount of money you want below. And if you liked this reading, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you are notified of upcoming videos and readings that I do. I'll catch you all soon. Enjoy your day.